I'm totally addicted to these bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. They're delicious, super easy, and I hope you'll give them a try. The filling comes together really quickly and starts with a half a cup of cream cheese. Add to that a quarter cup of sharp cheddar and Parmesan Reggiano. You can grate your own or use store-bought. It's up to you. Then we add smoked paprika, cumin, granulated garlic, and granulated onion. I like a couple shakes of cayenne pepper for heat, and of course some freshly ground black pepper. Then just mix it together and get all the ingredients incorporated. If you can do this a couple of days ahead and let the flavors meld, that's even better. Then set it aside, we'll come back to that. Next up is the bacon. You're going to need 5 strips of bacon. I prefer thick cut pepper bacon, but it's up to you. Thick cut tends to stay together better on the grill over long periods of time. Cut each piece of bacon into thin strips. This will make it a whole lot easier to wrap around the poppers and have the whole thing hold together on the grill. Next up are the jalapeños. You'll need 5 large jalapeno peppers. The bigger they are, the better. Their size means they hold more stuffing, they get wrapped easier, and they won't disintegrate on the grill. Use your paring knife to carefully slice right down the middle, right through the stem. And then use a spoon to just scoop out the ribs and the seeds from the inside.
You might want to wear gloves for this part. Just remember not to touch your eyes or face, and wash your hands after.
Grab a spatula or a spoon and stuff each pepper with a good heap of filling. Then grab one of your thin strips of bacon and starting from the stem end, wrap it spiral-wise down the popper. Make sure it's tight and sticks to the filling. This part may seem tricky, but once you do it once or twice, you'll be an expert. Plus, it's really fun. The most important part is to wrap the bacon tightly around the pepper. Repeat the process 10 times, and we're ready to go to the grill. You can also do these right under the broiler in your oven. They won't come out as crispy or as smoky, but they'll still be nice and yummy. So if you don't have a grill, a broiler is a great backup. Set your grill to medium-high and preheat it for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you put them on. Every grill has hot and cold spots, so just be mindful when you put them on. I always try to put mine on the hottest part of the grill. Just remember, don't walk away. As the fat from the bacon drips down into the flames, it will cause flare-ups, and you gotta be ready. Move them around if you have to. I always like to keep a spray bottle of water handy. It really helps you keep those flare-ups under control. After about 10 minutes, the flare-ups will start to settle down. And then we're in the home stretch. Make sure you move them around so everything gets cooked nice and evenly. The cheese starts to get all gooey. The bacon gets crispy. The whole thing is really, really great. Total grilling time is about 20 to 30 minutes depending on how done you like your bacon. I like mine pretty crispy, so this is what mine look like after about 25 minutes. We want the bacon crisp and charred, not burned. So I think that's about right. I'm going to pull this off now. Plate them up and eat them right away. Don't let them get cold. Best to dive in while the cheese is still hot, the bacon is still crispy. Try them with the favorite dip of your choice. I am using Hidden Valley Garlic Ranch. This stuff is brand new. They are not paying me for this. I just love it. And that's it. They are so good. I think once you try them, you'll be hooked. The filling picks up the smokiness from the grill, the spices in the cheese, and the pepperiness of the bacon really adds a ton of flavor. Check the video description for a full link to the recipe on my blog. I really hope you try them. They're super easy, super yummy, and tons of fun. Food on, everybody.